Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carter with BitsBeTrippin. Let's peel back the last few weeks right now. You guys haven't seen a lot of videos from us, and there's been a good reason why. We've been heads down building out our second location, a location that's going to be servicing GPUs, ASICs, and allowing us to do our pre-build out of a 10 megawatt farm that we're looking at building this year. We've ordered our first container and are making arrangements for exactly where it's going to be put. Now, I know right away some of you guys are going to be like, hey man, can I host some rigs there? While ultimately that will be our intention in the long term, in the short term, it's a matter of making sure that we have a very manageable setup with a properly trained staff to be able to handle those type of things. Anyone that's been following us on Twitter have seen a lot of this progression where we've had several new folks starting, coupled with a handful of education sessions that we've held out at Crypto World. Our goal has been to grow a team that is very interested in cryptocurrency and wanting to learn more, along with have some on-the-ground expertise forged by some experience of having to troubleshoot and fix things. Now, all this development doesn't mean that we're not going to make videos anymore. On the contrary, it emboldens and strengthens our ability to communicate with you guys in a way that is more consistent and provides you guys another level of detail of actionable and delivered experience and an observe and report style of content. Something that I've always prided on the channel for the longest time. I don't always do everything the most perfect way. However, we've had many iterations and you guys get to see that experience through the videos that we make for you guys. So let's pivot and see what's upcoming here. So as you guys have seen, we've had a few build out videos of the actual location that is going to be a service center for GPUs and ASICs alike, along with some of our testing and the new studio, which is going to be purpose built to be able to give you guys the best content that we can make in the most concise and consistent way possible. Our intention is just to finish up that build by the end of February. Then we would have the team moved over to the location and be operating out of the new studio. In addition to those build videos, we have several new testing videos when it comes to new GPUs and new configurations when we're talking something like Ethereum and TON mining. I've seen quite a few videos on that lately from the other creator community, but I want to know a little deeper when it comes to what's the effects on GPUs when you dual mine and be able to bring some of that content to you guys related to specific GPUs. What kind of load is on that and where's that load coming from on the GPU?
You guys can always drop us a message. Holy crap, it's dual mining. We could blow it. $12,000 to cred.
In addition to that, we have several events planned on February 24th. We're going to be announcing this week of another on-site visit at our new location out in downtown St. Louis, where we're going to be doing some content related to NFTs. We'll actually be minting an NFT for that particular event. So folks that get a ticket to it, which is going to also, again, be a free ticket. So there will be a limited amount of people that can come and show up and see us there. You will have an opportunity to see us in person and go through something for a couple hours. More details will be coming around that one. But that's not it. We're going to be heading out to Bitcoin 2022 along with Consensus 2022. And we'll be going out to a mining conference in Prague in June. So lots of on-site action for you guys to catch us at, which we'll be bringing some of the team members with us. Now, one thing I didn't talk about as with the new studio is a consistency. So our video consistency is going to kick up a notch. We're working on getting another editor in and then have a good cadence of 5 days a week having videos on the regular with 2 scheduled live streams. If we can get to that level of consistency, I believe we can grow the channel and the awareness in the crypto space in the way we like bringing it. Thanks again for your almost 10 years of viewership. We are one of the oldest channels on YouTube when it comes to this kind of content and are proud to say that we're growing this now finally to a pace that would be competitive with any other large channel out there. Clear, concise information based on us observing and reporting our own approach and then collaboratively working with other creators out there to bring you guys some of the best content out there. Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Decentralization is one of the most important factors in a global cryptocurrency network. Bitcoin's proof of work functions due to the exceptional security provided by the miners of the network. Today's sponsor is Compass Mining, a company with a customer-focused experience providing a tailored approach to purchasing, hosting, or even an at-home option, allowing anyone the opportunity to participate. If this interests you, head over to compassmining.io.